welcome back to our channel. This is Zoe here, and today we're going to be reading a really fun book. And this book is called Max the Brave by Vere. Let's get started. Max the Brave. This is Max. Doesn't Max look sweet? Max looks so sweet that sometimes people dress him up with bows. Max does not like being dressed up with bows, because Max is a fearless kitten. Max is a brave kitten. Max is a kitten who chases mice. Max the Brave just needs to find out what a mouse looks like, and then he will chase it. Maybe mouse is in there. Max bravely explores the can. Mouse, are you in there? Mouse isn't here. Oh, hello. Are you Mouse? No, I'm Fly, says Fly. But I just saw a mouse scurry by a moment ago. Maybe this is what Mouse looks like. Excuse me, please. Are you Mouse? I'm not Mouse, I'm Fish, says Fish. But I just saw a mouse dash outside. That must be Mouse up in a tree. Excuse me, please, but are you Mouse? We're not mouse, we are birds, said the birds, but we did just see Mouse scoot by. Excuse me, but would you happen to be Mouse? Eek! Mouse? I'm not Mouse, I'm Elephant, says Elephant, but I did just see Mouse scoot by. Thank you very much, says Max. And you? Nope, that way. Hello there, are you Mouse by any chance? Who, me? No, certainly not. I'm Mousester, squeaks Mouse, but I just see Mouse asleep over there. If you're very quick, you might catch him. Thank you very much, says Max. This must be Mouse. I didn't know Mouse was so big. Excuse me, Mouse, will you wake up, please? I am Max the Brave, and I have come to chase you. Wakey, wakey, Mouse, yells Max as he bounces up and down on Monster's head. I am Max the Brave, and I chase mice, and I might just eat you up, too. I didn't know Mouse had such big teeth. Gulp, gulp. Achoo! Yuck. Max decides that chasing mice is not all it's cracked up to be. And anyway, he doesn't need to be Max the Brave all the time. Unless he's not out chasing monsters. This is the end of the book. This was really fun, and I hope you also liked it. Thank you for joining me with this book, and I hope you like it.